What's happening, all you Dota 2 fans out there? My name is Crushy from Dota2Clan.com, and today we got something really special for you guys. Do you like couriers, announcers, rares, or even sets for your favorite hero? You're definitely going to want to stick around if you do, because we're giving all that away and more in this video. But first, let me start off by telling you exactly how you're going to get a chance at walking away with some of these great items. So it's really simple, guys. All you need to do is make sure you're a subscriber here at our YouTube channel, Dota2Clan. Then head over to our Facebook page, give us a like, and lastly, visit our Twitch page, follow us so you know when we're going live, and that is it. 3 really easy steps, and all the links are in the description below. Once you've gone ahead and done all these 3 things, just write down in the comments below your Facebook name and your Twitch username. Like mine is ILoveCrystalMaiden991. Yours is probably just as great. And once you've done that, we're going to throw all you guys live on video into a shuffler and pick out the 3 winners and post the video up here on our YouTube channel. So make sure you come back and check in the future and see if you won. Now you're probably thinking to yourselves, what the heck are the prizes? And I'm glad you asked. So, 3rd place winner, right off the bat, will receive a random Dota 2 set from the store. The whole set, no little items here and there, the whole thing. 2nd place winner, 3 great rare Dota 2 items. Great stuff. And lastly, 1st place winner will walk away with 1 courier, 1 announcer, and even as a cherry on top, we're going to throw in a rare item too. That's it, guys. It's super duper easy to enter. My mother could get a shot at winning these prizes. The contest will end next Friday, April the 12th. So make sure you hurry up and subscribe, like, and follow for a chance to win these great prizes. I've seen what we have in store, guys, and let me tell you, you will regret it if you do not take a shot at getting these items that we're giving away. So make sure you check back in regularly for future contests, giveaways, and all that good stuff, guys. Alright, good luck to everybody out there. I'm Crushy, thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there on the servers.